Here we have the Focus MK4 hatchback smoked LED light bar rear lights. This is a version with the dynamic indicators. We're just going to unbox them, we're going to illuminate them just to let you have a look and see what they look like. We also do this version in a different colour variant, which is clear lens with a black background. This one is finished with a smoked lens. We've got a Focus Estate as well. We also do those, so please just jump on our website and have a look at our listings and see what we've got to offer for you. So they're all packed really well, so when you order mail order, you shouldn't have any damages or anything like that. So what we have with this kit, it comes with 4 lights, 2 boot mounted, 2 rear quarter mounted lights. There's also a pack with some instructions in, which has got your resistors in for your indicators, and then there's some wiring looms, which I'll explain what they do in a short while. So I'll start with these. This is the boot mounted section. There's just some plastic on there which just protects the threads. Everything's plug and play, so your black plug plugs directly into the loom on the vehicle. This is the boot mounted section. Let's remove these bits of protection as well. Have a quick look. So your white plug plugs directly into the loom on the vehicle, and then we've got 2 little plugs. That's what your resistors plug into. That's for your indicators, just so they flash at the correct speed with it being LED. So what we've got inside this pack is we've got some instructions. This basically just illustrates how the wiring looms need to be fed around the boot trim. So what we've got is we've got dynamic indicators what run right across from the inner to the outer. So for that to work, what we need to do is run a linking wire from the outer and inner, which is just tucked away really neatly around. It's briefly explained on here how it's done. So the indicators need resistors just to stop any bulb errors or fast flashing errors on your dashboard, and these just plug directly straight into the lights. I'll just illustrate just to show you how easy it's done. There we are, and there's just a 3M peel off just to stick them out the way. So the loom that's included is this, and this is the one what you feed around the outer of the body and the boot. So everything's plug and play. There's no cutting, there's no joining, nothing like that. So you've got plugs what plug directly into the vehicle, and then all you've got is just 2 link plugs on each side of this wire. What plug into the quarter mounted light and the boot mounted light. I'll just pick the boot mounted light up and just to show you how easy it's done. So they're all colour coded. It's really easy to do, so I'll just grab one side. So we've got one here with an orange and a white wire. Click it in. We've got one here with a green, red and black. Click it in. So once your wire's fed right around the boot lid, down to the other light, you can click the other side in dead easy. Overall build quality on these lights is really good. The finish and the shade of smoke is a really nice colour as well. I really like these. But what we'll do next is we'll get these illuminated up on a 12-volt feed so we can have a quick look and see how they operate and see how they'll look like at night. So what we've got is just one continuous bright red light bar what runs through the both outer and inner. It's this grey strip on the lights what illuminates. There's no dots, so you can't see any LEDs or anything behind it. It is pure light bar. So what we'll do is we'll pop the lights off just to illustrate what they look like at night. I'm not too sure if the camera picks it up. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't show a true reflection of what they look like. But these are really bright, solid red. This light also has LED indicators and brake lights. So this rear light set is only suitable for right-hand drive vehicles only. It's not suitable for left-hand drive. The reason is the fog light is on the driver's side, the right-hand side, and the reverse light is on the left-hand side of the vehicle. So what we've got is just got these illuminated just to show you how bright they are. The reverse light is really bright white LED.